One UK lawmaker, Mark Sewards, don shock everybody as e become the first MP wey go create AI version of himself to answer people wahala. Canada and China don vex as President Donald Trump new tariff against dem and Mexico don enter action on Tuesday. Na small be dat for today tori. Dis na PidginToriGlobal, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Abeg make you like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you no go miss any of our videos. Still share with your friends, make dem too sabi wetin dey happen for world. Oya make we enter the gist proper. One UK lawmaker, Mark Sewards, wey dey represent Leeds South West and Morley for Labour Party, don shock everybody as e become the first MP wey go create AI version of himself to answer people wahala. The MP work with one AI startup to build dis chatbot wey dey sound like am and dey ready 24 hours every day make e help people for im area solve simple matter or ask policy questions. Sewards tok say e go help make im office dey closer to the people wey vote am, but many people still dey ask whether na better connection or na more disconnection dis AI go cause. Dr. Susan Oman from University of Sheffield reason am say people trust for politicians dey drop every day, and dis kind AI move fit make people feel say dem no dey really hear dem again. She tok say old people especially go first think say na real human being dem dey talk to, and when dem later find out say na bot, e go really pain dem. Professor Victoria Honeyman, wey sabi British politics, tok say the AI bot fit help answer basic questions but make Sewards use time focus on serious cases. But she warn say if person come get deep emotional problem and na bot first respond, e fit cause pain or even make dem vex more. The big concern be say bots still dey make mistake, and if dis one mess up, e fit make people lose trust for their MP. But for now, Sewards don stand by im new AI tool, say e go help people anytime, any day and all year round. 35 United Nations human rights experts don open mouth tok say make Israel immediately dismantle the global humanitarian fund accountable. The cause serious and dem no hide mouth put. Rescue team don dey find people wey dem believe say still dey trapped after serious rain and cloudburst cause heavy flood for Darali village, Uttarkashi district for northern India. The flood happen around 1:30 p.m. Indian time when heavy water rushed down from hill and enter Ganga river, come turn to mud wey scatter everywhere. Buildings, roads, shops and even hotels wey full dat tourist area just collapse as water dey sweep everything for road. Videos wey people from nearby village snap show how the muddy water just dey rush like mad. You go hear people dey shout, blow whistle, scream say run, run, but the water too fast. E no give anybody chance to escape. Dem tok say the Kapkeda temple sef don enter inside mud and feet don damage. The flood even block part of Bhagirathi river and form one kind artificial lake wey don swallow land and one government helipad. Dem dey fear say if dem no clear dat water quick, e fit cause wahala for towns and villages wey dey down the river. Army and paramilitary don land for all the area. Dem dey announce make people stay far from the water side, but rescue work still slow because rain still dey fall heavy. President Narendra Modi don drop message for social media say im dey pray for all the victims and rescue team no go rest until everybody get help. For Texas, several drama dey happen as 51 Democratic lawmakers don waka comot from the state go Illinois. All na to stop one proposed redistricting map wey go favour Republicans well. The redistricting plan wey Texas Republicans wey get majority for state legislature unveil last week and President Donald Trump dey support go add 5 new Republican leading seats to US House of Representatives. And as e be now, Republicans just get small majority for House. Texas law tok say dem must get at least 2/3 of the 150 lawmakers to vote. But as the 51 Democrats no dey around, dem don break the quorum wey go make voting possible. Governor Greg Abbott, wey be Republican too, no happy at all. na im call di special session before say dem wan do tins like disaster relief after flood, ban THC, di high ingredient for cannabis, and arrange di new voting. Now e dey threa ten to sack anybody wey no gree return come vote. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton don carry di matter enta social media. E tok say government suppose use any method to bring back di lawmakers and even arrest dem if dem no gree cooperate. Dem fit still pay $500 fine every day wey dem still dey absent. But di Democrats dey defend themselves. Jean Wu, wey be one of dem, tok say dem no dey dodge responsibility, dem just no wan support a rigged system wey no dey hear wetin pipo wey dem dey represent dey tok. Na so di matter take be for Texas. US Attorney General Pam Bondi don tell prosecutors make dem open grand jury hearing to look into di Trump-Russia matter wey don drag since 2016. Trump bin always tok say na political enemies cook up di whole tori to spoil im name. Bondi don follow one report wey US Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard submit last month. For di report, she tok say Obama and im security team try use Russia wahala do coup against Trump and say dem twist intelligence just to link Trump to Russia. Obama pipo say dat one na yeye talk. Although Democrats still stand say nothing inside Gabbard report dey strong enough to scatter di official 2017 US intelligence conclusion wey tok say Russia try help Trump win di 2016 election and damage Clinton. Even bipartisan Senate report for 2020 still agree say Russia dey support Trump dat time. Now, the Justice Department don move. Bondi don order one federal prosecutor make e carry evidence go give grand jury to check whether the matter strong enough to press charge. News media tok say dem never know who dem go charge, but Fox News mention say former CIA Director John Brennan and former FBI boss James Comey dey under criminal investigation. The two men don deny any bad belle and say Trump dey use the justice system to fight personal battle. President Donald Trump don fire Jaguar Land Rover JLR, say the company dey inside serious wahala after their oga resign and dem appoint Indian man P.B. Balaji as new CEO. Trump talk for im Truth Social say Jaguar dey mess up as dem sack the old cat logo and bring one kind ad wey no even show motor. The ad show fine models for pink desert, but no Jaguar car or logo inside. Trump say the ad na total disaster and very woke. He even compared them to American Eagle wey blow up with actress Sydney Sweeney, wey im praise say she fine and be Republican. Jaguar new oga P.B. Balaji na finance boss for Tata Motors before and e go take over for November. Na the first time Indian man go be CEO for Jaguar. Jaguar dey rebrand now as dem plan to launch electric cars by 2026. Last year, dem show concept car Type 00. Some people like am, some say na nonsense. As Jaguar dey face social media dragging, dem still dey deal with Trump own wahala like US tariff and plan to cut 500 top jobs for UK. Canada and China don vex as President Donald Trump new tariff against dem and Mexico don enter action on Tuesday. Canada don slam 25% tariff on $150 billion worth of US goods. China join body announce 10% to 15% tariff on US agricultural products, plus dem target some US companies too. Trump increased levy on Chinese goods from 10% to 20% because e say China no dey try stop fentanyl drug from entering US. E still say Canada and Mexico suppose to do more to block illegal drugs and migrants from to dey waka enter US. As all dis one dey happen, US stock market fall and Asian market begin shake. Experts warn say Americans fit begin pay more money for some products soon. On Tuesday, extra 10% tariff land on Chinese goods, and that one means say US don raise trade war against their top 3 trading partners, Canada, Mexico, and China. And the last one for today, Brazil Supreme Court don order make dem put their former president Jair Bolsonaro for house arrest as e still dey face trial over coup wahala wey e deny say e no plan. The judge wey dey handle the case, Alexander de Moraes, tok say na because Bolsonaro no gree obey di restriction wey dem give am last month. As e be so, Bolsonaro no suppose dey use phone or get visitors wey Supreme Court never approve. Bolsonaro lawyers don tok say e no break any order and dem go appeal di decision, whereas US State Department don condemn di court order. Dem say dem go hold anybody accountable wey support any kind illegal matter. Donald Trump still carry dis Bolsonaro trial tok join as one reason why e slam 50% tariff on some Brazilian goods. Even though US still get trade surplus with Brazil, Trump say di whole trial na witch hunt. Di judge still accuse Bolsonaro say im dey use im sons and allies social media to spread messages wey dey push for attack on di judiciary and even call for foreign wahala inside Brazil court matter. One of im sons, Senator Flavio Bolsonaro, even put im papa on speakerphone during one pro-Bolsonaro rally for Rio de Janeiro, come later delete di video from Instagram. Di judge use dat incident tok say Bolsonaro no dey respect court rules at all. To crown am, di judge warn say justice no dey foolish and dem no go allow person use political or money power take play smart for court. Na so we see am for today. And na Rebecca Godfrey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. No forget to like, subscribe and share dis video. Drop your comment below. Tell us which tori shock you pass. Till next time, make you dey alright and dey informed.